know what it is. It's falling on a budget production.
It's more than just a living, y'all. Hell, it's our way of life. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy-up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James, a modern-day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Daddy showed us the ropes, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy-up gone boys. 18 wheels on.
Alright, what's up guys? I am at the field waiting to get loaded. Kind of bored, so I'm gonna show you guys my new lights. I ordered them a couple days ago, or a while ago already. I'm lying. I ordered them a while ago, and they came in. And me and my brothers have a habit of buying stuff, not remembering what we bought, and then buying more stuff. And when it all comes in, we're just like, oh damn, we forgot we ordered this, or we bought this, you know. So it's kind of how it is right now. A bunch of lights. They all came in. I was like, I don't remember buying this, but apparently I did. So let me go ahead and show you the lights. I have a bunch of them, and I don't think I'm gonna use them all no more. But either way, let me go ahead and show you the lights. All right, guys, don't mind my mess. I have all this stuff right here are lights. I got that bag and this box and this box and that bag. This, I'll show you that in a minute. This box right here is a bunch of red LEDs. Bam. These are going to be going to the what do I call it? On the back of my sleeper. These are the new lights I ordered for the back of the sleeper. They're a lot brighter and they have more LEDs. And yeah. But yeah. Like I said, these are going to the back of the sleeper. I have 10 of those. I only need 8, but they came in a pack of 10. They're cheaper, so yeah. And the bag in here, back here, they come with these orange ones. Well, let me go ahead and show you this first. This big ass box, I forgot I ordered. And inside of this one, there is, I believe, 12 I ordered. 12 torpedo lights. Go ahead and take it out of the bag. I was originally going to put these, now that I remember, I was going to put these all along the bottom of the sleeper in the cab. But then I thought, you know, that was a pain in the ass, just wiring up all the lights and making brackets and blah, 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 and etc., etc. So came up with this idea instead. I got some brackets, some L brackets that hold these 4-inch round lights, and I'm just gonna put I'm gonna mount a light facing back this way, and on the back of the sleeper facing this way, and I'm gonna put a watermelon light between in the middle of the pipe like my brother George did, and that way it'll light up all underneath. So that's what this bag over here is for, with all the brackets and wires and lights and grommets and everything for these. So that means I have all these lights that I'm no longer going to use. So now I got to figure out what I'm going to do with these. So yeah. Alright guys, and in this bag is bought from the truck show. I bought the new chrome covers for the lights on the sleeper. I had some already, but they're already kind of old. The chrome is already getting faded, and there's the one with the little visor on the top here that comes out. You know what I'm talking about, right? The little visor. And these are new ones, so they're just flat, and they're shiny like the new ones, not like the old ones. So So yeah, I got this bag here full of them, all for my sleeper. And yeah, so go ahead and see if I can install some of the sleeper lights, because pretty much just plug and play. I just take out the old ones, put the new ones in. So yeah, let's see if I can knock that out before the rest of the load comes out. Alright guys, what's up? It's the next day. I didn't do shit yesterday because yeah, just didn't do anything. So I am doing it the next day, and as you can see, that one and that one were still original, and the rest of them were LEDs. So I finally switched out this one. I just did it right now, and I'll go ahead and show you. Alright guys, as you can see, these are the two original ones. This one and this one were the original ones. I never changed those out. When I made the new holes, I just put new lights in all the way, except for these two. I always said I was gonna do it, and I never did. And I finally did, because my new lights came in, as I showed you. And yeah, I'll go ahead and put on the little chrome cap, and I'll show you what it was. And yeah, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. There you go. Just put it on. I didn't record it because I wasn't sure how the hell to put them on, because I never done it. I've just used these, the ones that screw on. But as you can tell, these are already old and nasty, and this one's still good. But I believe some ones on the top are going out, the LEDs. So that's why I bought all new ones. And I bought the new chrome because they're old. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the other side. Alright, pretty straightforward. Shit. Alright, got the other light out. Cut the wires. The light is on, as you can see. Go ahead and use the light tester and see which one works. Alright, so now I got the ground. Nope. Yep. Alright, perfect. Alright guys, took the light out. I got the wires already cut. I just put the light tester, see which one has power, and this one, the one that's power, the one with the little paper, is the ground. So let's time to get one of these connected. So yeah, let's put a plug first. Alright, time to get this plug connected. Alright, there it goes. I didn't record it when I was wiring it up or putting it in, because, well, it's kind of hard to do that and record at the same time. I only have two hands, so. But yeah, time for a little chrome piece, and it should be done. Alright, now time to put these on. These are pretty simple. They're not screwed on. You just twist them on. You can, yeah, see the clips here. As long as one clips in, you twist it and it pops in, and they all grab. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. Bam, just like that, and it's on. Savage. There you go. All right, let's see if they're on. Yep, they're working. Cool. As you can see, some of the LEDs are going out on the old ones. That's why I bought all new ones. These two are the new ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch them all out. Now the rest should be easy because it's just plug and play. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, what's up? It's been since I last recorded, maybe like 2 days, I believe. It's been 2 days since I did the lights. Obviously I already finished them. Oh yeah, you can't see. I thought it was further behind the truck, but I guess not. But yeah, I can't remember where I left off exactly, but yeah, the other lights were pretty simple because I just had a, you know, plug and play. And yeah, you know, I got to do all of them except the last two on the very top. By the time I got to those two, my load, the rest of the tomato came out for the load, so I didn't get to put them on. I loaded the truck and I took off. And yeah, following day, I didn't feel good at all. Woke up sick for some weird reason, and I felt horrible. I didn't do shit all day, so I didn't do anything. And then, I believe it was yesterday, I went ahead and knocked the 2 lights out, and yeah, and I finished them up yesterday, but I forgot to record. So as soon as I had a chance, I popped the new lights in real quick, and yeah. So yeah, fortunately I didn't record nothing because yeah, I suck ass. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you what the lights look like. Alright guys, don't mind my truck. It's dirty as hell. It's been raining, and it's love bug season right now, so yeah. But yeah, as you can see, those were the two main ones that I changed. I had to change out the plug and everything because they were still original. Put the 2 bottom ones on, 2 top middle ones on, I guess you could say, and then the 2 top ones I put on yesterday. And yeah, I really like the way they came out. You know, really happy, especially that now they're not missing lights and shit. I hate the way it looked when some of the lights were out. But I'll go ahead and turn the light on. I don't think you'd be able to. I'm pretty sure you can see it, but yeah, whatever. I'm gonna turn them on. Just give me a quick second, and then bam, on. I don't think you can see them all, but they're on. So yeah. Gonna shut that off. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. Finally finished that. The easiest thing in the world, and it took me like 4 days to do it. That's what I'm best at, procrastinating. But yeah. Hate all these damn love bugs, guys. Look at that. I clean it, and by the next day, it's back to normal, back to the same thing, I mean. And then all this rain doesn't let me keep nothing clean either. Look at that. Look at that. Damn. Sucks. So yeah, guys, that was that. That was the lights. Sorry I didn't show more of the installation process, but I mean, it was pretty straightforward, you know. The 2 ones I actually had to change, they were just you know, the ground and power, and plug in the light. That was pretty much it. All the other ones, are just check out the old light, plug in the new light, and pop it back in, and that's pretty much it. Put the new cover on it, and yeah, you know, there was really nothing to it. That, and I forgot to record, I'm not gonna lie. Probably would have recorded, but I forgot. I suck at this. But yeah, so yeah. Alright guys, since I haven't showed you guys at night with the lights on, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what they look like now that I'm here. Turn them on, George. Oh damn, that's bright. There you go, guys. New lights are on. They all work, and they're all bright as hell. Damn. Cool. Just wanted to show you guys what they look like at night. So yeah. See if I can get some rollers sometime. Cool. So yeah, guys. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.